where your journey to a greener, healthier, and happier life begins. Welcome to Green Heaven Organics. Today, we're diving into a topic that every gardener, whether you're just starting out or have a green thumb, needs to know about: organic pesticides for plants. If you're tired of harmful chemicals and want to keep your garden healthy and thriving naturally, you're in the right place. Stick around, and we'll show you how to protect your plants the green way. Organic pesticides are a fantastic way to maintain your garden's health without the risks associated with synthetic chemicals. They're safe for the environment, non-toxic to humans and pets, and they support biodiversity. So, what are some of the best organic pesticides you can use? First up, we have neem oil. Extracted from the seeds of the neem tree, this oil is a powerful, all-natural pesticide. It works against a variety of pests like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. To use it, simply mix a few teaspoons with water and spray it on your plants. Next, let's talk about diatomaceous earth. This powder is made from fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms. It's highly effective against soft-bodied insects like slugs and beetles. Just sprinkle it around your plants and watch it work its magic. Garlic spray is another great option. Not only does it repel pests, but it also has antifungal properties. Crush a few garlic cloves, mix them with water, and let it sit overnight. Strain the mixture and spray it on your plants. It's that simple. Don't forget about soap sprays. They are easy to make and very effective. Mix a few tablespoons of pure liquid soap with water and spray it directly on pests. This works wonders on aphids, mites, and other soft-bodied insects. Lastly, consider using companion planting. By planting certain herbs and flowers like basil, marigolds, and nasturtiums near your vegetables, you can naturally repel pests and attract beneficial insects. These are just a few of the many organic pesticides you can use to keep your garden healthy and thriving. Remember, the key is consistency and observation. Regularly check your plants for signs of pests and treat them promptly with these natural solutions. Thanks for tuning in to Green Haven Organics. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow gardeners, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on organic gardening. Leave a comment below with your favorite organic pesticide or any questions you have. Until next time, happy gardening!